This isn't just any collection. This is power, precision, and performance, all rolled into one. Introducing the limited collection ultra-realistic construction vehicles by Mighty Crafters. Built to dominate, packed with power. Meet Thunderhauler, a beast of a truck built to haul anything, anywhere. Those lights, they're as real as the power behind them. This is Gravel Master, the excavator built for the toughest jobs. Real steam, real belt drive, real power. Here's Skybreaker, the crane lifter with 360-degree rotation and the muscle to lift up to 2 kilograms. This is Iron Claw, nimble, tough, and ready to work. Built for precision, designed to conquer. And meet Stone Crusher, the concrete mixer with steam power and precision flooring, ready to build your dream. We at Mighty Crafters are hardcore RC construction model fans. We've been in the trenches, building our collections with passion. Instead of spending thousands on ultra-realistic RC vehicles, we've built a collection that brings you power, precision, realism, and affordability, all at the heart of our Kickstarter community. From Gravel Master to Thunder Hauler, these beasts are built to perform. But hurry, this limited collection won't last long. Mighty Crafters, where power, precision, and performance meet. Get yours before they're gone, only on Kickstarter.
Follow us to join the community of innovators.